Hey guys, welcome to this video. So this video I'm going to be going over how in trading doesn't make you red, emotions do, right? And I have another sort of video title of it, right? Okay, trading doesn't make you red, emotions do. Because think about it. So far as futures trading, like Top Step, right? Futures trading, the risk to reward is 1-to-1 when you really think about it. Unlike the scam that is webull options or Robinhood options or stock options, right? So truly, right? Really, truly, trading doesn't make you red, emotions do, right? Then we'll go over here, right? We'll go to the Qs, sure, right? The example here. Okay, now, first we'll compare two options trading. Webull, Robinhood, Thinkorswim, options day trading is a scam, okay? If you were to short here, right? Let's say you short here on webull options and you're up 200, 300, probably $400, right? If you shorted here on webull options, you're up $400 here on some position. I don't know. Webull options, some lotto positions, one day x-ray positions even. You're short here, you're up 400 bucks. They yank back up, you're not red, you probably are break even, okay? But then when this actually does get rejected back down to here, you're still not green. You shorted here at this level, right? I'll just do this for you shorted here at this level, it comes down here, you're green 400, it comes up here, you're break even, that makes sense, okay? But then when this reshorts down to here, you're not even green, you're still red. You're still break even, really. You're still break even, you're not even green anymore, right? I mean, well, like you can be, but no, really, the scam is you're not even green, okay? And then once they start doing this, oh yeah, you're red. Once you start doing this, boom, 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 this goes up, and then shorts back down here, boom, and by this point, you're still shit on. You're still not green. You're red still. You're red. You literally have a better feel. You're supposed to be up like 50 points on your trade short. You're supposed to be up 50 points short on your trade, right? You're supposed to be green on webull options. You're not. They scam you because options have theta. They scammed you. The risk to reward, it's not 1-to-1 here. It's not. Because they threw in the stupid curveball scam of theta, so really nobody fucking wins. Not even the calls. Not even the calls when you long deer, you've got this balance. Honestly, you didn't get fucking anything. You're nothing. Nothing's moved. They're killing, burning everyone's options, shitting on everyone. Nobody fucking wins, and everyone who had positions over here, short or long here, they all got fucking raped. I know. I longed here, and then it went up, and I was green 500, and then it came down here, chopped up, and then blasted up here, and I'm supposed to be a little bit green. I wasn't. I was still red, even though I longed down here. Fucking scam. Webull options are a scam. But check it out. On futures trading, there is no theta. If you short up here and it comes down, you're green 400, it comes up here, you're break even, it comes down, you're green still 200, right? And then still green, and then comes down, and now you're still even greener. It's like, there's no theta. It's just numbers. There's no bullshit thing that's decaying your shit or chopping you up. They can't really chop you out, you know? So in that case, really, the risk to reward on futures is way better. It's way better. So there shouldn't be any, because on webull, they jack up your emotions with a chop of theta. So you're always having to take profit early. Also, you have settled cash. They scam you. You know, the risk to reward is terrible. But on futures, you're able to hold these things because there's no theta. That's what makes it so much better. And basically what I'm trying to get across too is, so with that, right, in trading, trading doesn't make you red. Emotions do, right? Emotions make you red. Because in futures, there's no reason that I shouldn't keep holding, like this, right? Because I shorted here, it came down, right? Green 400, and then came back up, and now I'm a little bit red, break even though, right? But there's still no reason for me to sell because I'm still just barely break even on my position. It's still nicely here. I'm only, red a couple points, whatever. So when it comes down, even when it starts chopping up, because of the fact that it's making lower lows, I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm not getting theta. There's no reason for me to stop out. But on webull, yeah, you have to stop out. But on futures, there's no reason for me to stop out. There's no reason. It's just the emotions of the chop, of the uncertainty. It's like, oh, what if, it goes up here? It's the emotions that make you stop out of making even more gains on that short. It's not trading. It's not the trading. Because the trading says this. The trading says we're making lower lows under this 220 EMO right here. That's what we're making, As much as it fakes out here, it shoves down again and stays making lower lows. There's no reason for me to stop out of this trade. If I stop out of this trade, that would just be my emotions. Don't trade your emotions, trade the facts. This is factually making a lower low. Trade the trend. Bullish till it isn't, bearish till it isn't, right? Same thing all over here. It's popping, but it's shorting, popping, shorting. Well then, so don't fucking, go long. There's still no reason to go long here because they keep on making lower lows. If they flip this and they broke this lower high pivot over here and then went into VWAP, okay, yeah, we should be long, but we're not. The trend is still short, right? Everyone was just predicting, oh, this is the pop for reversal, gap fill. This one's it. Nope, they shit on you. Oh, this pop. Oh, this one's it. Nope, they shit on you. Oh, this pop. This one's definitely it. Nope, they shit on you. Look at this huge pop. 70-point pop. What the fuck? Oh, this one for sure. Nope, shitted on you. Bad. That one was a scam too, honestly. 70-point pop to short on you, market's insane, right? Um, but it just goes to show the real point of this video is don't trade your emotions, trade the chart, right? And futures make it all the much easier because there's no scam bullshit of options data. There really isn't, right? That's why futures are still forever will be better. I'm really hoping Top Step they keep that fact that there's no theta, then they just keep plain positions as is. I really hope they do. Um, you know, hopefully. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Trading doesn't make you red, emotions do, right? Emotions of just like, oh dude, look at this pop, I'm so scared of this pop, I'm gonna stop out now, this trading is just so bad, I'm gonna stop out now. No, that's just your emotions. You're still green 30 points, no reason for you to stop out. You know how much 30 points is gonna take for them to squeeze you? So there's no reason, that's just your emotions. Play the factual chart. It just got shoved down. Okay, it looks like you survived, so let it play out more. And it does. It make a lower low, make a lower low, make a lower low, lower low. Boom, now you're looking good. Lower low, lower low. Now you're freaking balling, making huge money green. And that's what I trade off of, and that's why I'm a profitable trader. So again, reiterate, don't trade your emotions, trade the chart. Look at the chart factually. What is the trend factually, right? Play with the trend factually. Like over here, I was fighting the trend, right? I saw a 60-point pop, and I was biased. I was like, yeah, gap fill right here, right now. Yank, they're not going to pay more shorts, right? Yank. But, this time around, they fucking did, and I got liquidated. 5K funded loss. Pretty shitty. But that's my fault. I should have traded unbiased. I kept going long when it was supposed to be short, so I got shit on. I predicted again. I traded my emotions at the end of the day. It wasn't that I was scared. It was that actually I had a little too much confidence that they were gonna yank this up, and they didn't. They do it more so down here, but at that point I was already liquidated. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. And yeah, trade the chart, trade the facts, not your emotions. Pretty simple video I've probably made before, but you know, trading it's the same thing every time. It's just honing those same feelings and skills and screen time and emotions and psychology over and over and over again to make who I am now as a trader after 4 years into finally a profitable one. And you can surely be an extremely profitable one at that. Like I saw those freaking dang Maple and PJ Matlock making thousands, millions a day. So that's why I'm here, and that's what it is. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.